Hi, let me begin with the quote of Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Now, you are getting education through virtual classes. Are you happy with our classes? Oh, you are enjoying and practicing with true spirit. Okay. In the previous class, we discussed on common difference and terms of the arithmetic sequences. Just see this problem. 20, 28, dash, dash and so on. Here we have to find out the third term and fourth term of this sequence. So what is the common difference? Common difference is denoted as D. D equal to 28 minus 20. That is equal to 8. Common difference equal to 8. So the third term is 28 plus 8. 36. Then fourth term 36 plus 8. 44. So now we can write 20, 28, 36, 44 and so on. If you know the common difference, you will be able to write the other terms well. Let's do a problem. 25, 21, 17, dash, dash and so on. Here we have to find out the fourth term and fifth term. So before that we have to find out the common difference. D equal to 21 minus 25. 21 minus 25 equal to minus 4. So the common difference is minus 4. So what is the fourth term? Fourth term equal to 17 plus minus 4. 17 plus minus 4 is 13. Next, fifth term equal to 13 plus minus 4. 13 plus minus 4 equal to 9. So the sequence is 25, 21, 17, 13, 9 and so on. Here the negative number is added repeatedly. Now see this. Dash 24, dash 42 and so on is an arithmetic sequence. Here first and third terms are missing. How will you find out these terms? Here no consecutive terms are given. So we cannot find out the common difference. So here we have to use one formula, that is term difference equal to position difference into common difference. (24) is the second term, 42 is the fourth term. So term difference 42 minus 24 equal to position difference. 42 is in the fourth position. 4 minus, then 24 is in the second position. 4 minus 2 into common difference is denoted as D. 42 minus 24 equal to 18 equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 into D. D equal to 18 divided by 2. That is equal to 9. Common difference equal to 9. So the first term is 24 minus 9 is 15. Then we have to find third term. Third term equal to 24 plus 9. 24 plus 9 equal to 33. So the sequence is first term 15. And second term 24, third term 33 and fourth term 42 and so on. Next, the terms in two positions of arithmetic sequence given below. Find the first 5 terms. The third term is 2, fifth term is 3. So here we have to use that formula, that is term difference equal to position difference into common difference. Here the terms, which are the terms 3 and 2. 3 minus 2 equal to their position difference. 3 is in the fifth position. 5 minus 2 is in the third position. 5 minus 3 into common difference. So what is 3 minus 2? 1 equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 into D. So D equal to 1 by 2. So the common difference is 1 by 2. Next we have to find out the first 5 terms. Third term is 2. So we have to get second term and first term. For getting the second term, we should subtract the common difference from the third term. Okay. Third term is 2 and fourth term we have to find out, and fifth term is 3. So what is the second term? We have to subtract the common difference. So it will be 1.5. Then again the first term is 1. Then fourth term is we have to add, that is 2.5. So the sequence, the first 5 terms are 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 and so on. Algebra of arithmetic sequence. Let us take an arithmetic sequence 6, 11, 16 and so on. The first term is 6, second term is 11 and third term is 16. It can be written as 6 plus 5, the common difference is 5. Then 6 plus 5 plus 5 and the fourth term is 6 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 and so on. So 6 plus 1 into 5, here 6 plus 2 into 5, 6 plus 3 into 5 and so on. So the first term is 6, second term is 6 plus 1 into 5 and third term is 6 plus 2 into 5 and fourth term is 6 plus 3 into 5. So what is the 10th term? 6 plus 9 into 5. So what is the 15th term? 6 plus 14 into 5. Then 30th term? 6 plus 29 into 5. In general, taking the first term as f. First term equal to f, common difference equal to d. So the sequence will be f plus d, f plus 2d, f plus 3d and so on. So here the first term f, second term f plus d, third term f plus 2d, and fourth term f plus 3d, and so on. So the nth term equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Let's see a problem. Find the 30th term of the arithmetic sequence 13, 24, 35 and so on. Here we have to find out the 30th term. So what is the nth term? Nth term equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Nth term can be denoted as xn. xn equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. So here what is f? F equal to 13. D 24 minus 13 equal to 11. Then x30 equal to, x30 means 30th term, equal to f, that is 13 plus 30 minus 1 into d. D equal to 11. 13 plus 29 into 11. 13 plus 29 into 11 is 319 plus 319 equal to 332. The 30th term of this arithmetic sequence is 332. Next, find the nth term of the arithmetic sequence 11, 22, 33 and so on. Here we have to find out the nth term. Nth term denoted as xn. xn equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Here f equal to 11 and d equal to 22 minus 11, which is equal to 11. So f equal to 11, d equal to 11. 11 plus n minus 1 into 11. 11 plus n into 11, 11n minus 1 into 11, 11. Here 11 plus 11 and minus 11 cancelled. So the answer is 11n. Next one is 145, a term of the arithmetic sequence 19, 28, 37 and so on. Here the first term denoted as f. f equal to 19 and the common difference is 28 minus 19 equal to 9. Then consider 145 is the nth term. So xn equal to 145. Then 145 equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. 19 plus n minus 1 into 9. Then 145 minus 19 equal to n minus 1 into 9. 145 minus 19 is 126. Then 126 equal to n minus 1 into 9. 126 divided by 9 equal to n minus 1. What is 126 by 9? Just 14. 14 equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n equal to 14 plus 1, which is equal to 15. So, the 15th term of this arithmetic sequence is 145. Next is 100 is the term of the arithmetic sequence 21, 32, 43 and so on. So here we have to find out 100 is a term of this arithmetic sequence. So what is F? The first term is 21. And next common difference. Common difference is equal to 32 minus 21, which is equal to 11. Let us consider the nth term as 100. So xn equal to 100. xn, the nth term, f plus n minus 1 into d. xn equal to 100. 100 equal to 21 plus n minus 1 into 11. The common difference is 11. Then when we change 21 to this side, reverse operation takes place. 100 minus 21 equal to n minus 1 into 11. 100 minus 21 is 79 equal to n minus 1 into 11. When we change 11 to this side, reverse operation takes place. 79 by 11 equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n minus 1 equal to 79 by 11 is 7.18. So, n equal to 7.18 plus 1, that is 8.18. Here the answer is a decimal number, so 100 is not a term of this arithmetic sequence. Today we discussed on term difference equal to position difference into common difference and nth term, that is xn equal to f plus n minus 1 into d. Let us wind up today's session. Hope you have understood today's topics. Keep practicing at home. Limit the use of mobiles. Use only if required. Thank you.